Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to enable and use Facebook friend request notification setting. Friends, you want to use friend request notification setting on your Facebook. So friends, now let's see how to turn on friend request notification one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. Okay friends, after turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, on your Facebook, first of all you want to send any friend request. So friends, you want to send friend request, so you can send friend request here. And you want to use friend request notification on your account, tap on your setting. After on my Facebook setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, on your Facebook account, we will tap on notification setting. After on my Facebook notification setting, comment notification you can use, tag notification you want to off, get notification when you are tagged by anyone, friend to friend, only friend, so you can use it. More activity about your notification you can use, update from friend notification you can use, friend request notification if you tap here. So friends, you can on friend request notification, where you want to receive this notification friends, where you receive this notification, push, email and SMS you want to use, so you can use. And before on friends, you can read this notification. These are notification for when someone send you friend request. So these are notification for when someone send you a friend request and you will accept, as you can see, or request you have sent is accepted. So you can use this friend request notification setting on your Facebook account. For any example, here is an example friends, you can see your friend sent you a friend request. And press or request you have sent anyone and when he will accept it, so you can use friend request notification setting on your Facebook account here. So like that friends, you can use friend request notification setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching the video.